Hey there, so I am trying to do a series of videos really quickly with the natural daylight. Up to this point, we've done the Shadow Sense all over, so Candlelight Shadow Sense as a concealer here, Sandstone Pearl as the matte one as the concealer there. We used the Rustic Brown as the creasing and the brows with the Onyx and Onyx's liner. So go watch those videos so you can see more details, and I talked about the colors that are appropriate for blonde, strawberry blonde, brunette, auburn, and darker hair like myself, or black. Alright, now I threw on some Precious Topaz so that you can have some color to the face. I threw on some color correcting tinted moisturizer in the light. I'm kind of between a light and a medium right now, but light is always the better route to go unless you want a tan with the color correcting tinted moisturizer. The medium will definitely work for a tan, and you can use the deep color for contouring if you are a medium skin, or it's perfect for darker skin. So next I wanted to show you the powders, because these are amazing, but I've had some clients who have questioned how to use it and also how to prep it. So when you see how it locked? Okay, it's locked there. So you bring it down and you find that locked position, and then you pump it, and when it's brand new there's a lot of pumping going on. This one's not brand new, so I'm not going to continue the pumping, but you can see some of the powder go around. So then you unscrew it and you push this down, and now you have powder. So this can also be used as a foundation, and I like to do it like this, buffing it in. It's a great talc. It's an awesome powder. I wasn't sure that I was going to love it, and honestly I do love it. Now, once I do that, buffing it in, you want to go down with the hairs of your face, okay? And that is your finishing. Now, when it's new, you're going to get some brush bristles. The other thing that you can do, and actually I'll show this on the next coloring. So that one was the translucent and natural. We also have a silver rose and a bronze dust. So I'm going to pull these all up so you can see them. Okay, so there's all the colors in the, there you go, in the powders. Okay, so next up I want to show you the silver rose, which I really love the silver rose for a blush, or you can use it as a shadow. But one of the things I want to see, once again, it's locked, right? You just twist it, take it off. You can unscrew it, but be very careful, because when you unscrew it, you've got loose powder in there. You saw that fall. That's kind of cool, right? So if you don't like this brush, because I'm feeling a little loose brushes there, then you can pour it out into something else and use your own brush. But I'm going to bring that up, put this on, and I'm going to make sure that it's tight, and I'm going to puff it, or pump it, so you saw that. Now, hopefully with this natural lighting you can see this is the silver rose, all right, and it gives you a really shimmery, healthy look to the skin. So that's my blush now. I'm going to kind of work some down here, and then you can actually bring this up to make it a tighter and do that. Can you see a difference with that? Okay, so make it a tighter brush, and depending on how much you want, just make it more intense. So that is the silver rose. Now, I don't typically use, and you can always blend it in a little bit, make sure the brushes are off. Alright, I don't typically use the bronze as much on my face because it's very glittery, but the bronze is a really pretty color, in my opinion, for the body. So, same thing, you want to do this, so bang, put it on, lock it into place, pump it, you can see the powder's coming up, and then let's do on the neck and on the décolleté, chest area if you prefer that term. And now you can see that there's a bronzed look, and you just work it down. So that's really beautiful for the holidays. You can do it on the cheeks, you can do it on the eyes, they're great for shadow too. So that's the powder. So it's a little confusing for people when it's new. When it's new, you're gonna have that piece of tape, you're gonna take the tape off. Okay, it should be locked. You want to make sure it's locked, right? Okay, so you put it on and you put it into a locked place, and then you keep pumping, 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 because the powder is going to come down in here, right? So let me unscrew it once again with the bronze, and you're going to see that there's kind of a sponge in there that it has to get through to get to the brush, okay? Or you can unscrew it and pour it into something else. Always make sure this is screwed on really well, because you know what? If it's not, you're gonna have powder everywhere. That's no fun. So that is the powders that we have to offer. They're fabulous. Like I said, when I first started playing with everything, I was like, I don't think I'm gonna like the powders, but honestly, they're pretty amazing. So the more you play, the more you like. All right, hope that helped. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.